If you want to keep your Safari searches private on your iPhone, there's a quick setting you need to change. No extra apps, no complicated steps. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Safari, then tap to open its settings. Once you're inside, scroll again until you see the option labeled Show Recent Searches. By default, this is turned on. That means whenever you tap the search bar in Safari, your recent search terms will automatically show up, convenient, but not exactly private. To hide them, simply toggle Show Recent Searches off. That's it. From now on, Safari will stop displaying your recent search history in the Suggestions dropdown. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete your browsing history. It just prevents Safari from showing your past searches when you start typing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.